You never found out for Ghana.
Okay, me pay fufu. Fufu ne aponche nkrakra.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Me so me pay mutuo.
Musu
Katin kwan.
Papa, musu the Katin.
And me pay akle. Unim akle. Voter for Adrian. Yeah.
Wow.
Me pay akle.
Who did akle there? Any kwame?
Akle ne pepper. Meko.
Okay. Now who did you Kumada? Who did you Okro? Come up, I try her. Now you have fish kids to have to swallow. Very fantastic.
Look, you're from a bed, but between in the Yaw.
Yaw there. Yaw Poku.
Yaw Poku.
Wow. Yeah. Why did you choose Yaw Poku? Okay, and then Mesha Yaw Poku Hano. Yaw Poku a brony better catch. Yaw Poku say.
Oh yeah, fine. No sweat.
The man start coaching there. One man no drew. I just met this man. Otichi pa. Na about Ghana programs. Otika crab he's so good. Otichi was also Nimsa. Was also born Chile, right?
Yeah, born Chile.
The Chile man on him ball.
Oh, menim Kete. Photo from.
You know what I
mean? But so menim voter for Chile. Agbaja Agbakor.
That's so cool. It's and I share the Hano. And I see everything going on beside the day. When our first was to be serious and what really urged him to delve himself into the Ghana culture like that. It's in another position come on when you're not going to say.
Better for Ghana. On Treme, Kete Trinebo, different ASANTE Culture. So between the YAW POKU.
Wow. So you picked the name from ASANTE Culture. Oh, wow. Is it Tremu? What? And then I open power. Ghana culture, no? I did a part of Amamre, I did a part of your
Okay, so Ghana, Amamre, and they're a musician, they're both Trinity, they're both jazz drums.
Wow.
So to me, Ghana for Trinity, and they're
Okay, good.
So to me, the Ghanaian music, as a drummer, want to look into the history of the art form. All of this drumming comes from West Africa, and Ghana is so alive and well. Just to me personally, West African drumming is the pinnacle of the art form. Wow. So the drumming is sophisticated and it's beautiful, and everything, it's not just music for the sake of music, it's part of culture. Every style of music has a purpose and a reason and a history. And it's also, so much of the music we study here is about practicing by yourself, solitary music. But in Ghana, it's all about community. It's about playing with other people and feeling how the parts fit together.
Wow.
And often that's the most challenging part of it too, is getting all the interactions, how they fit together. So to me, I came to Ghana because of music and because of drumming specifically. But the reason I stayed, I mean, it's not Kumasi Mfimianu. So the reason I stayed,
For film, you know.
yeah, because it's not only the drumming, but just the culture, the people, the food, Adriane,
Okay.
but it's all, to me, it's all sweet, and the people have been so welcoming and kind that Ghana to me is like, it's a very, very nice place.
Never found out about Ghana.
Okay, me pay fufuo. Fufuo ne aponche nkrakra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Eh, me pay emutuo.
Musu pe
Ne
mutu
katin
pa.
kwan.
Papa, musu de katin.
And me pay akle. Unim akle. Vota for Adriane.
Aklepa.
Yeah, but
Wow.
me pay akle.
Who di akple de any kwan ba?
Akle ne pepper. Meko.
Okay. Now who dey di kumada?
Say.
Who dey di okro da?
Aye.
Come up, I try here. Now you fish get to every to swallow.
Yes.
Very fantastic.
Yes.
So
Hey, Depa.
yeah. So Trevor, you have been out for Ghana.
The first year I went to Ghana was 2006. And that was when I was an undergraduate college student at UMass. So I've been going back and forth since 2006. But it was really around 2012, 2013, 2014. That's when I lived there. It's in Kumasi. So now pretty
up,
much.
Kumasi?
It's in Kumasi.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Kumasi Pasana.
Oh, the first year it's in Santasi.
Fantastic. That is my hood.
Sa.
Damn.
Okay, so it's in Fanchenabra.
Fatima. Oh my God. That is my area.
Oh, okay. So
I went to Pokari school.
many more.
Who was?
Many more.
Who was?
Actually, Mitzi opposite Opokuari school. So
Yeah.
many more. And then the second year, Mitzi Pechi.
But
Yeah, me.
you
Yeah.
went back a bit.
Yeah, me Ejuma or ICS.
Okay.
Unim ICS.
ICS.
International Community School.
Oh, ICS. Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, so me try idea ICS. So Mitzi Pechi for 1 year.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow. It's not China.
Mitre in Yum. So Mitre Abrafo in Yum. And then after school and the weekends, Meko boy Ghana for in Yum.
Wow. This is so cool.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you. The way you have really indulged yourself in the African culture. Even most of the people can't dance like you do.
Oh,
And I'm so proud of you, bro. And I'm so proud of you, bro. What was the enthusiasm? What really urged you what drove you, what gave you that charge to learn and then be so skillful and so good in it like that?
Okay, this one, Mr. Mekabrofo.
Aye.
So I went to college for music, I was a music major, and we had a program where we studied West African music and dance in school in the US, in Massachusetts. And we had a teacher from Ghana, your friend Kwabena Boateng. Kwabena Boateng. Yeah, Ofri Mampong. ASANTE Mampong.
Okay.
And then we had another teacher, Royal Hardigan, who's from here. And they brought us to Ghana. They organized a trip and brought us all to Ghana.
Wow.
So that time, like I was 19. I just finished my first year of school and got a chance to go to Ghana.
Yeah.
And then I really haven't looked back. I've been going ever since.
Yeah. So have you met some nice ladies in Ghana? Do you have plans to have a family in Ghana or what?
Oh, you know, I mean, me try to hold.
When that man be on, man be help because start whole friend Ghana for man help. The way you look so nice, I'm sure the Ghanaian ladies will really like you.
Oh, Midasi. Thank you, Midasi.
Wow.
Midasi.
So, what is the future look like for you? With this, your project that you're doing, being the cultural stuff that you're doing, how does the future look for you?
Yeah, so right now I'm based in Massachusetts, here in the United States. I'm a teacher and a musician also. So during the school year here, I'm based here, I'm teaching music. I also play in a band, in front of Kotoko Brass.
Wow.
Yeah, and we have two fantastic drummers who are from Ghana. They're both from Kumasi.
Wow.
YAW POKU and Kwame Ofori. They're both from Kumasi, but they're based in Boston now. And then we have other people from the US and from Japan and from the Caribbean all mixing together to play music. Even last year, 2023, we brought the group back to Ghana. We played at Amamrifie Kumasi Cultural Center,
yep.
and then we played at Menchia Palace for Akwasi Day Festival.
Yep.
So we played for Otumfo, which was a big honor for the band.
Wow.
And so we have that group, and we also have a Kete group, Chinyame Kete,
Okay.
in Boston. So really, during the year, I'm playing with those groups and working in Boston. And now every year in the summer, I try to go back to Ghana and spend time. And some years I'll go to different African countries, but always Ghana is the whole base. I always come back to Ghana.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right.
And that's the person when you're that job and I hope you say this show Ghana.
Yeah.
And I hope people will be able to fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you. It does.
Thank you so much, YAW POKU, for having time with us.
Oh,
we are so
Mitsu
grateful.
Midasi.
What do you have to say to my fans? Do you have anything to say to my fans? Ghanaians are watching this show a lot.
Oh, you're watching the best channel right here. So thank you for tuning in, and you're going to hear a great episode.